How to create email marketing campaign for beginners using Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an email marketing campaign using Canva step by step. If you are new to email marketing and want to design stunning emails that convert, this beginner's guide is only for you. So now you have to go to canva.com and then search for email templates. So for not that, you need to click on templates and then search email. And as you can see, it here are some prebuilt templates to use in email marketing. So let's look for a sober one. So I'll select free email template of course. Then I'm selecting this one. So customize the template. So it's taking me to the customizing for the template. Now it's loading. Now let's explore all the options to edit or customize the template. So now first of all, let us go to the design. We've already selected the template. So just edit the brand name like library. It's an example, new bags, jackets, hard trousers, dresses, shoes. And let us keep it like that. The vintage collection. Let's edit with the classic collection. We are delighted to present the Swapna button. Okay, free shipping. Let's say 40% off code free ship. You can also edit the code 7 delivery and limited time only. Okay, the glasses. We can also change the images from our upload list, or you can also upload files and edit this. As I am just showcasing you how to edit and all, so I will not change them. You can change and you can also change the numbers and you can use other elements there also. Just you can add this email, you can leave email element here, more smaller, then write the email address here, like adding text, little body, let's say xyz at the rate gmail.com. Here, here. Also add many elements as you want here for your branding and want. You can also use tools like getting shapes. You can add some shapes here. You can also add some graphics, like create the graphics and copy paste here, and you can also add some videos if you download an MP4 folder and You can also add page and make another template here, another template here, and we just you did the before one. You can also edit and make this also. And lastly, you can just export the media. So for the exporting part, you can select share and you can copy the link and paste it anywhere, and the person who will click the link will see the newsletter. We can also download it from here, like in PNG format or JPG format or PDF standard or PDF printing. And then you can limit file size also. Like I'll give the file size. I'll give the file size 700 kb. Okay, now let's say if it's a big pro version, so we cannot limit file size on free method and compress file transfer protocol. Everything is on just the premium version. So let's just keep it for now, and then you can download the file. Okay, now that your email design is ready in Canva, let's jump into MailChimp and launch the campaign. This part is super simple. Follow along. So you can also use other services or websites or your email marketing tool. So let's go to MailChimp. We'll click on that MailChimp. So then login. So for login, and use something like Google. Take it to dashboard. So now the login part is done. Then we have to click on the campaigns button, then create within a campaign, and then choose regular email. There's other options like automation, set up email automation, but personal email marketing, landing page, but just let us go with the regular email, design email, and give our campaign a name like campaign a name like you can add June promo June promo pay, and then we have to select the audience from mailing list, or if I have dedicated audience, we can also select them. And if I want, we can also send to the entire audience. Here you can just share your mail email link. Then we can also add social post to emails. And then to add a text segment like buyers or newsletter for subscribers, and a custom group using filter like sign up date or location. And then we have to subject like it's a promo mail, promo 40% off. Okay. a little hey guys, don't miss the chance and save it and select where we sending this email to and let's just choose an audience Ricky Store. Okay, all email subscribers you can exclude no personally sent to field. Okay, we'll let it be safe and then okay design we'll design template where we will not design template development. Let's then click tracking flow and you will have to click send after that. As I'm not sending anywhere, this I'll just show you that if you click on the send button, it will be sent directly. So you can also add some links and make sure your CTA button and social media icons are linked. And you can also schedule or send directly. Give you some bonus tips for high converting emails. Write short subject lines under 50 characters as they've already seen it. At preview take the TV's values in the high open times like Tuesday to Thursday mornings. And you can also test one variable at a time like subject line, button placement, etc. And always keep your CTA above the fold on mobile. So that's how you create an email marketing campaign using Canva in 2025 from design to launch. You now know how to structure, link, export, and deliver beautiful emails that actually convert. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full Canva plus MailChimp integration tutorial next. So, till the next video.